Okay guys, we're going to be talking about Wera ratchets today. I'm going to pick my top one that I like the best. One from the 1/4 inch and one from the 3/8 inch. When you talk about 1/4 inch Wera ratchets, you really have to start out with the Tool Check Plus. This is the one everybody knows. You know, it goes from sockets from 5.5 to 13. It also comes in an Imperial or SAE version if you want that. It comes with a small little bit holder, small ratchet, and a wrap adapter here, which is this is one of my favorite bit holders here. This one though is probably one of the only ones that I prefer their competitor over this one. These are nice. The bits are very nice. They're easy to get out. These have this little compression, you know, fit on here. Not bad. I mean, you know, it takes a little bit of pressure, but really not that bad. Problem I have with this one is this ratchet falls out all the time. Now this ratchet is a 60-tooth ratchet, like all of the other 1/4 inch ones they have, or all the other small bit ratchets they have are all 60-tooth, 6-degree arc swing, not that bad. It also comes with this wrap adapter, one of my favorite bit holders of all time. I really love this thing. You know, you pull it up, you put your bit in. Let's get one out here. I'll show you. You put your bit in. And it automatically locks. Now get it out, you just push it, you can pull it out. But it's a locking bit holder, and that's what I like. I hate those magnetic bit holders. These are, you know, these compression fittings, they're okay. They're not my favorite, old style compression fittings. Like I said, this little ratchet here falls out all the time because this thing slips down. I look in the bag, this is missing. It's in the bottom of the bag somewhere. What I like more than that Wera is this Hazet smart holder. Just because of ease of contact. I mean, you push a button here, the thing folds out. You got 2-inch bits, you got 1-inch bits. This is a locking bit holder here also. Very nice bit holder. I love these sockets the way you just click it and lift them up. You pull it to the right, you lift them off, and they lock. When they lock down, I mean, they're locked down. They're so much easier to get out. Not only that, this handle here never falls out because you have to pull this out to get the handle out, to get the ratchet out. And it's locked in. That's the main reason. Now, these are a little bit more expensive than the Tool Check Plus, but, you know, you get what you pay for, I guess. Well, that's the Hazet Smart Holder. Anyway, we're not talking about Hazet. We're talking about Wera. So, there's a Tool Check. Now, this is a Tool Check Plus. This one is just the Tool Check. I actually like this one better, and I'll tell you why I like this one better. Because I've always got bits. Now, you still have plenty of bits here. You know, you got some 2-inch bits with this one, where the Tool Check Plus only goes with 1-inch bits. This one, you do get 5 2-inch bits. And then back here is a full array of 1-inch bits. You know, magnetic bit holder, which I don't like as much as the wrap adapter, but what I do like is this little, now this is also a 60-degree ratchet, 6-degree arc swing. But what I like about it is you put it in here and you got a nice little full size, almost a full size ratchet versus these smaller ratchets that come with the Tool Check Plus. You can see the difference there. I mean, you got something you can work with here, where this is almost a novelty. So that's the reason I like this Tool Check better than the Tool Check Plus. And not only that, it's nice and compact, very small. You can see the footprint here. Now, the Tool Check only comes with 3, 8, 10, and 13 sockets. They are the compression fit, just like the Tool Check Plus. But also, now they've come out with this modular version, and you can buy these independent. You can buy, you know, just a Tool Check, or this, or that. You know, you can go on KC Tool and you can buy these individually. Now, if you buy the new one, the modular one, it comes with actually 4 sockets. It comes from 7 through 13 here with 4 sockets. Everything else is pretty much exactly the same as a regular Tool Check. Now, this one, of course, you've got your, you know, you got your socket set here. You got your precision driver here with 20 bits, because you also have them on the back here also. You got 8 here. Oh, wait a minute, let me get that back. You got 8 back here, and you got 12 up front here, and it also comes with Allen keys. So that's the modular set, which I really like this. I really like the Tool Check. And then you've got this one. Now, this is the maintenance set. The only downside to this one is it is very large, as you can tell here. But this is an awesome set. And I find myself using this more than I grab the Tool Check Plus or the Hazet Smart Holder. I'll just grab this because I know if I run into anything else, I got it. I got all my screwdrivers here, got my screwdriver handle, and then you got your socket here. Now, this is a 1/4-inch socket. It is, you push this lever down, this thing will rotate. It is a locking, so let's get out one of these. Now this one does have, just like that Hazet Smart Holder, it does have this little twist and click, or twist and lift socket. So you get this on, you push your locking button here and it falls on. You push, you want to release it, you just push it, it comes right off. Very nice. Now if you want to, this is your lever right here to go from loosening and tightening. Right here. And then of course if you want to, like a nut driver, you could do this. It's got this little plastic spinner here where you can spin it. This is a 72 tooth ratchet. It's got a 5-degree arc swing to it. Very nice though. I tell you, I really like this ratchet. I like this set. As you can see, it said you can set it in different, it's got presets there for 90, 22.5, 45, and then straight out. So that's the 8000A. Now this one also comes with let's see, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. This comes with 7 bits, 1-inch bits, and a magnetic bit holder here. And it also comes with a 3-inch extension. Comes with a 10 and a 13 millimeter wrench, and of course all your screwdriver blades here. That's the maintenance kit. I tell you, I really like this thing. Now next is this one. This is the Wera 1/4-inch ratchet set. As you can see here, you go all the way from, now this is the SAE, I go from 3/16 to 1/2 inch. I've got this is still a 72 tooth ratchet right here. Locking head, let me put it on here. Another, again, you have that click and lift system here. Just a nice ratchet, all metal. It's got this little, you know, your typical Wera handle here with this size, but I mean, it just feels great. And the finish on here is awesome. It's got like a soft chrome finish, like a brushed chrome. Here's your lever right here. You want to get it off, you just press the button. It goes off, you click it back in. Now, it does also come with this little 1/4-inch wrap adapter here. I'm sorry, you know what? This is not a wrap adapter. It's not a wrap adapter though. It locks, but you have to pull it up and pull it out, and it's not an auto. You have to pull it up to get it in. Still locks in place very well. On this one, of course, you got this little plastic holder here that holds all of your bits. Again, locking. Now, what I like about this one too, it does have this little adapter here. This is a little 2-inch adapter. And with this one, if you push it all the way in, you just have a 2-inch adapter. If you pull it out a little, you got a wobble, as you can see here. So it gives you a little bit of play and a little bit of wobble there to your ratchet. And of course, you can just pull it off, put it back on. Awesome set here. And then, of course, you have your 6-inch with your sleeve here. So you could easily, now you also have, you could just do this if you wanted to use it like this, because it's got this knurled end on it here. But what I like about it is this sleeve. So this sleeve just spins around independently of the shaft. My favorite one is this one. You know, you got your sockets, you got your bits, you got your extension, you got your bit holder, and you got this very nice 72 tooth ratchet. It's just a very nice set. And not only that, look how small it is when it folds up. I mean, it's not that much bigger than the Tool Check Plus. You know, of course, it is a little bit thicker because of this case, but it's not that much bigger. And it's just, to me, a more quality set than this Tool Check Plus, because you got a full size, you got full size handles here versus these little toys that come with this one. Number one is the Wera Cyclop 1/4-inch socket and bit set. Now let's go to the 3/8. So we're going to start out with our 3/8" sets here. We're going to start out with the 8009. So this is the Wera 8009. Very cool idea, very poor execution as far as I'm concerned. It does have 8, 10, and 13 sockets here. They are color-coded. And if you can see, just like all of them, they have this knurling right here. I mean, these Wera sockets are very high quality. I really like the way they do the sockets. But this driver here, now it does come with this little extension also. So you can use it as a driver. The problem is there's no locking. So it's either left or right. You could do it, you could turn this. It's left or it's right. You can't put it in the middle and it locks. But you can use it, of course, as a screwdriver. And there are bits in the handle here. A little wobble handle. Very nice, but nothing locks. So this is just a magnet. Now the magnet inside here for this 1/4" bit holder is pretty strong. You can see there's a 1" bit. I mean, it holds very strong. The problem comes in when you want to put one of these sockets on. You know, it just comes off. Now, the problem is if you get this thing stuck on a nut, you know, it's going to easily slip off. As you can see here, the only thing that's holding this socket in are these 2 small magnets here. And they're very small and they're not that strong. So that's the only problem I have with this one. I mean, I think it's a great idea, but it's just not a very well-made tool just because of that. I don't know why they couldn't have, I wish somehow or another they could have made it where it was locking, or it had a ball detent in here somewhere. I could understand why they couldn't make it locking because, you know, you got your 1/4" in here, but a little ball detent or something to help you out there would have been nice. So that's the 8009. Now it does have this little click and release just like the rest of these do. Very nice socket retention there from Wera. But I'll guarantee you this one will not be in the top. I tell you, I use this one the most. I use this one. This is a 3/8" socket rail from Wera. And it came with all the sockets. It came from 8 through 19. It is a magnetic, and I mean, this thing has got a strong magnet where I just hook it to the side of my toolbox, and it is very hard to get this off. So this thing is very nice. It also has a little click and pull. They are all color-coded. All of them have this nice knurling, and as you can tell, just like all the other Wera sockets, man, these things are just nice. Very well machined, all knurling. All of them have the same color coding on them. Now, I use this one along with this. This is the 8000B. Yeah, 8000B Wera. It does have the, you pull down on this and you can rotate the head. So let's get one off of here. Take a look at it. It's got a ball detent. It is locking. This is a 72 tooth ratchet, just like the rest of them. It does have, so when you have it in here, like you use it as a nut driver, it does have this sleeve here where you can use it as a nut driver. Hold on to this. This sleeve is independent from the shaft here. Your selector switch, of course, is right here, this green. So I really like this ratchet. It's got a nice comfort grip handle, as you can tell. You know, your typical Wera screwdriver handle. So this stays on my toolbox, this stays in the toolbox. Okay, next, let's take a look at this one. So this is the Wera model 8100 SB8. 3/8" socket with bit set. This one here, also 72 tooth. Now this one is the Cyclop 8004B ratchet. It is locking. Let's get off one of these. Let's see here. Yep, same color, exact same sockets as we just showed you on the rail. It does have your little lever here. Even this little switch here has got your Wera marking on it also. Man, it's just a sturdy, well-made ratchet here. Push the button, comes off. It also comes with this. This is your bit holder. So I'm going to see if it'll work on any bit. Yeah, it'll work on any bit because this is a Wera bit here. You push it up to insert it. It locks. You push it up to pull it out. Push the button coming down. This is part number 8784. Now it also comes with this little 3-inch extension. It's a stiff here. As soon as you pull it out a little bit, it's got your wobble on there. If you don't want the wobble, you push it in and it's fixed. Pull it out, you got your wobble. Push the button, take it off. So it also comes with this 8-inch extension. It's got the same independent sleeve. It's got knurling here on the end. So really it comes with everything that the 1/4 inch comes with. It's just scaled up to the 3/8. It also comes with 16 1-inch bits. You've got a lot of torques here. And then of course your regular, your Phillips, your number 1, your number 2, your number 3. Very nice set. So that's the Wera 8100 SB8 3/8 inch socket set. Next is the 8100 SB12. This has got the Cyclop comfort ratchet in it, and it is impact rated. As you can see now, it doesn't come with all of the extension, the wobble, and everything that the other one comes with, that the 8100 SB8 comes with, but these are all impact rated sockets, and it goes all the way from 8 to 24. And I mean, these are some of the nicest impact sockets you'll see. They are imprinted here. Now there's no engraving. There's just a laser etching on here, like on this 24. All of them still have this standard color coding. The only thing these don't have that the regular ones have is the knurling on the end here, as you can see. But they are, if you look at the thickness of the wall thickness, they are a lot thicker because of the impact rating. But man, what a smooth, nice finish. I tell you, this is one of the nicest impact sockets I have found. Not like your normal, just regular, black impact sockets that have the rough finish on them. These things are polished smooth. Very nice. And you get 1/6-inch extension. And here it says open. You just pull this. And this is your comfort ratchet. Now this is an 80 tooth where all the other ones were 72 teeth. This one is 80 tooth ratchet. It's got your selector here. It is a locking bit holder, as you can see here. This black is your soft rubber finish. This green here is a hard plastic. The only thing that's metal that you can see is the metal anvil here where the socket goes on. Now, they say these are made for like cold weather or, helps prevent rust. And I can see that since there's no metal, the only metal is right here. But I tell you, it's still a very nice ratchet. And you can tell it's very well made. It's got some heft to it. It just feels great in the hand also. So which one would you choose? To me, I'm going to kind of eliminate this, even though I love this because it's not really a set. I got 2 separate pieces here. It's between these two, and if it's between these two, I'm going to have to pick the comfort, only because there's so much more versatility to it. Since they are impact rated, you get all the way to 24, where this one stops at 19. Nice ratchet, even though the ratchet's okay. I just soon have this ratchet. This plastic comfort is not my style, but you know what? It works well. But what I like here are these are impact rated, where I can grab this set, throw in a 3/8 inch impact wrench, put in there, and I'm probably golden with whatever I got to do that day that's got anything to do with bolts or nuts. So my number 1 is going to be this, the 81 SB12 impact rated socket set with the comfort ratchet. Okay guys, that's it. I appreciate you guys watching, and be on the lookout. Let's see, you'll probably be watching this on the Thursday, so we'll just see you on next Monday's tool haul.